Hi guys, this is Julia and welcome back. So in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make Christmas Day makeup look, and that's the final look. You can see it now. So please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Send me your pictures if you decided to recreate it, and I will leave the links to my Instagram and to my Pinterest in the description box. So let's go! I'm applying mattifying primer to my face. And I blend it with my fingers. I'm applying Matte Plus Poreless foundation from Maybelline, and this one's for normal skin, and it is in color in shade 110. Just how I like applying it. I blend it with a sponge. I'm applying concealer under my eyes, and I blend it with a sponge as well. I'm gonna do a little bit of contour, and I'm doing the contour with the bronzer actually because I think it looks more natural, and I just like using bronzer for contour as well. And my contour is from Maybelline, and oh yeah, and it's definitely called bronzer and contour. I'm contouring my nose. I'm applying rosy blush. And I'm applying a little bit of blush to my nose. I'm applying rosy concealer like right here and right here a little bit, and a little bit like to my nose as well. And I blend it with my finger. I'm doing my eyebrows with eyebrow pencil, and this one's from NYX, and this one's in color taupe MBP01. I'm brushing my eyebrows with a brush that my pencil has. I'm doing my eyes. I'm applying eyeshadow base foundation and blend it with the sponge. And I'm applying eyeshadows. I'm applying Dodo Girl Top Color Peach Phase eyeshadow palette. That is what I have. My mom got me it to present when I was at home. I'm applying light pink or like beige eyeshadow to my eyelids. I'm applying green eyeliner to my eyes, and I'm not doing like the proper eyelines, but I'm just gonna do a little bit of lines, and then I need it for my eyeshadows that I knew the angle how to make them good. Taking a brush and I'm gonna do red eyeshadow lines with the brush and red eyeshadows. I'm gonna put it like right here on this in this angle, like right here where I drew these eye lines. I'm applying these white eyeshadows to like right here to the part of my eyelid which is like closer to my eye. I'm applying green eyeliner, like the same eyeliner, to my eyes one more time, and right now I'm doing it normally, like just the normal eye lines. I'm applying mascara to my eyelashes, and this mascara is from Hypoallergenic Allergy Tested brand. That's how it's called. It is Long and Volume Mascara, and this one's in color brown. I'm applying a lip gloss to my lips, and this is a Butter Gloss Bling from NYX in color L3. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Send me your pictures if you decided to recreate this makeup, and see you in the next video. Bye!